Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send USDT from your OKX mobile app to the Binance mobile app step by step. Our first step being that you simply possess cryptocurrency assets here. That's the USDT. You do possess a good amount of it. With that, you'd be able to transfer. So by simply clicking on the asset icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can then click on withdraw. As you can see here, I do have some money in my trading, which is 0.73 USD. It's now up to $1, but for the sake of this video, let's continue. So you simply click on withdraw. It shows which crypto you want to withdraw. It shows you available crypto. So you click on USDT and click on on-chain. This is for network transfers, basically from the different networks in which your coins are stored. It could be BEP20, ERC20, TRC20, any of them. Simply click on on-chain, and then you simply paste the contract address as well as select the network in which you'd like to send. So we minimize and open up Binance and simply click on this deposit icon right here. Once you've clicked on deposit, you click on USDT. It opens up and you simply click on BEP20 or ERC20 or Tron or Solana, any of them. I'm going with ERC20. Copy this. Once you've copied it, you minimize, open up your OKX, paste the wallet address, select the network, which is basically ERC20, put in the max. Let's go with, like, we want to send $10. We're getting from our trading. The fee is $3, and you simply click on submit, and boom, you've sent the USDT out of your OKX directly to your Binance. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send USDT from your OKX mobile app to your Binance mobile, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.